So now welcome once again students. Here I am going to discuss the rest of the questions in the exercise 2.6. Question number 6. It is given that the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So here in this question it is given that two persons Hari and Harry, their present ages are in the ratio 5:7. And this ratio it is given the age of both the person after the 4 years. So first I am going to take the let the present ages of both are 5x and 7x. The present ages are in the ratio 5:7. So here in the solution let the present age of Hari it is equal to 5x. The ratio is given 5:7 in Hari and Harry. So the age of Hari equal to 5x and let the present age of Harry that is equal to 7x. The ratio between their ages is given 5:7. So that will be 5x and 7x. Now 4 years from now, it means the ratio 3:4, which is the ratio of the ages after 4 years. So age of Hari 4 years from now equal to, if present age is 5x, so what will be the age of Hari after 4 years? That will be 5x plus 4. In the same way, age of Harry 4 years from now will be, what will be the age of Harry? That will be 7x plus 4. So if the present age of both are 5x and 7x, so after 4 years their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Now it is given that whatever the age will be there after 4 years, their ratio is 3:4. It means according to question 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4. That is the way to find the ratio, age of the first one divided by age of the second. It is equal to the ratio of the both the person ages after 4 years, that is equal to 3:4, yeah, 3/4. So here you got the equation. Now you need to solve this equation and you will find the value of x. So go for the cross multiplication. So it will be 4 into 5x plus 4 is multiplied here and 3 will be multiplied. So 3 into 7x plus 4. Now 4 into 5x, that is equal to 20x plus 4 into 4, 16. It is equal to 3 into 7x, 21x plus 3 into 4, 12. Now transfer the variable term in one side and numerical value in the other side. So I am going to transfer 20x in this side and 12 in the left side. So it can be written as 16 is as it is and plus 12 is transfer in the left. So it will be 16 minus 12. And here it is 21x already it is here and 20x is transfer in that side minus 20x. So 16 minus 12, that is 4, equal to 21x minus 20x x. So here you got the value of x is 4. Now you need to find the present ages of both the person. So here present age of Hari. Present age of Hari equal to, and here you have written present age of Hari is 5x, so that is equal to 5x. Yeah, it can be written as 5 into x value is 4, so that is equal to 20 years. In the same way, present age of Harry, that is equal to, here present age of Harry is 7x, so it is equal to 7x. Here it can be written as 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 years. So It is the present age of Hari and Harry.